Okay, for number 3, it says find the limit if it exists, and it says use values close to 1. Whoops, I mean to do that. Close to 1 from the right. All right, from the right. Now, someone says, I have no idea what that means. If you're to the right of 1 and close to it, this is the number 1, you're on that side of it, and you're close to it. Now, Grant, I hope you realize there's numbers to the right of 1 that are close to it. There's also numbers that are to the right of 1 that are not close to it. I gave you a sequence of numbers to choose, though, right? And these sequence, I hope you realize if I put that down, 1.1, and the next thing I said is 1.01. The next thing I said is 1.001. I hope you believe that eventually I will get to 1. And we said that's true in the limit, okay? So what I want to do is talk about using a computer to do that, and I'm going to recommend it. So I would write a function down. What's the function going to be? X squared plus 3x plus 5 over x squared minus 1. And I would need to compute this. It's tough to do by hand arithmetic. Compute that and compute that. Let me go through that with you and show you where that's written. So I write the function down. This is the function. I called it y of x. X is not equal to 1 because you have division by 0. And then I just simply evaluate it. I do y of 1.1. If you're wondering what that means, it means 1.1 squared plus 3 times 1.1 plus 5 over 1.1 squared minus 1. And if you're in a computer, it's easy to do, by the way, and you get a number. This is the number you'd get. Now, if you wanted the next number in the sequence, I think we decided on 1.01, you would get this number. Again, you'd have to compute that on a computer, or, I always say you could do hand arithmetic. You're still going to get the same number, by the way, or approximately. And if you just went over here, you get this. All right? Here's my trouble by I'm looking at it. I'm wondering where they're going. Well, let me just kind of look at the whole numbers. You got 45, then you got 450, then you got 4,500. I think you get the idea. If I keep doing this thing, it's going to march off to plus infinity. So I'm going to say the limit is infinity. It goes off and without stopping, goes to infinity. Again, using a calculator can be quite helpful. Thank you.